Hello everyone, so how to make Reddit your default search engine in Google Chrome browser. So currently if I search something right now, I don't know, it will just redirect me to Google.com here. Yeah, so that's how it works. But if you want to have just type in the address bar and then you just go straight to Reddit and you have Reddit search. So you can do that. First, just go to reddit.com and try to search something there. This way Google will remember this search pattern. So after you did that, go to three dots, settings, search engine, manage search engines, and then you will see here when you want to Reddit search that it will appear right here. And then you can click on three dots and then just click make default. So let's see what will happen. So right now you will start to see Reddit icon on the left and your Reddit is becoming like a default search engine from the address bar. So when we type memes, something like that, you will be redirected to reddit.com/search and you will be presented with like top communities and users, most upvoted like stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, if you basically like Reddit, this can be an option for you. This can save you a few clicks.